Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel, Technic Zone. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the bands on a Fitbit Luxe. So here's the new Fitbit Luxe, recently came out a couple of weeks ago. It's got quite an amazing display with colour and 3D touch. This is the band I want to change it to, so we quickly flip the device over. You see two pins here, which are holding it in place. Put your fingernail on it and flip it ever so lightly till it clicks out of place. Then you'll be able to proceed to remove the band. When the band comes free, you will see a free slot, which you can slot your new band into that you wish to insert. That goes in, and with a click it's locked right into place. And that's how you change the bands on a Fitbit Luxe. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to our video. Videos will be uploaded daily. Thanks a lot.